What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel Buy the Dip. That is right, guys, and in today we are continuing where we left off yesterday. We are going back to the Golden Nugget online gaming investor presentation, and it was so much information we had to do this in 2 videos. So if you didn't catch yesterday's video, I will have it in the pinned comments down below. So please go watch that video. And then today we're going to cover the second half of the investor presentation. And this video, guys, is to keep you all positive. That's right, keeping you guys positive and giving you hard facts of why you should not worry about the current sell-off. Now, a couple things of why the sell-off is possibly happening. As you know, with SPACs, when they get to the merger, this thing did have a run up to $25, $27, and it sold down. And I think people might have had trailing stop losses on. And as they had 5% and 10% on trailing stop losses, it just became a chain effect of all the people that had the trailing stop loss on their shares. So what that presents to us, guys, is a great buying opportunity and possibly another options play. So don't get yourself down. The information we're going to cover again today is to keep you positive and let you know why you originally invested in Golden Nugget was a right choice. So guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. Guys, I love and appreciate you. So, baby, let's go! All right, guys, and got to give a quick plug to my boys. That's right, the Ohio State Buckeyes. The Ohio State, that is right, man. Due to the pandemic and all, as you can see, we didn't get to play many games, so they were underdogs going into that game last night. It was number 3 Ohio State versus number 2 Clemson Tigers. And boy, did my man Justin Fields light him up last night, and that man has some determination. So just wanted to give a shout out to my Ohio State Buckeye fans out there. So guys, let's get back to Golden Nugget. All right, guys, and here we are, some milestones of the Golden Nugget online game, and they went live in New Jersey in Q4 of 2013. In 2014, they were mobile on iOS and Android, guys. They have been mobile for now 7 years, guys. They have $1 million in gaming gross revenue per month. In 2016, they were already profitable, so this is going to be their 5th year of being profitable in the business, putting money in the bank. Also in 2016, they are the first to offer live dealer in the United States, guys. That is huge. 2017 reached $3 million gaming gross revenue per month. In 2018, first to launch live casino floor roulette in the United States, which I love how this is all timelining up to where we're going at now. That live casino roulette, guys, is huge. 2019, launches New Jersey online sportsbook, $6 million in gaming gross revenue per month. And as we look here in 2020, the explosive growth during the pandemic outbreak. So in the first quarter, they made $19 million. And the projected revenues were 27, 26, and 24 million in Q2, 3, and 4. Guys, great stuff here. As you can see, the timeline of Golden Nugget and how they took up here. Look at this here. Huge US iGaming opportunity for Golden Nugget online gaming. They have today 13% of 800 million iGaming market in New Jersey. Immediate opportunities. 12% of a 2.5 billion iGaming market in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Michigan. Look at this here. Future opportunities. 10% of a $22 billion iGaming market at maturity, guys. All right, guys, and we got a great one here. It says iGaming is expected to be larger vertical than online sports betting in New Jersey. This is using from New Jersey from sports betting versus iGaming, 2018 to 2023. Let's just look at 2020, for example. The online sports betting gross gaming revenue is going to be $230 million, to where the iGaming gross gaming revenue is going to be $780 million. As we look to this year, 2021, sports betting is going to be $375 million. To iGaming is going to be $820 million. As you can see, the numbers keep getting bigger as we go up, guys. And as we see here, the pandemic has accelerated the growth of online gaming, which is really nice to see here. Look how much, because of the pandemic, they have grown here in the iGaming. 44%, and they're still looking to grow into 30% over the next couple of years as well. As we get out here, U.S. online gaming positioned for accelerate growth. The iGaming regulation is live in 3 states with a gross gaming revenue of $1.2 billion. Online sports betting regulation is live in 10 states at a $600 million gross gaming revenue. So guys, as you can see here, even though iGaming is only in 3 states technically, it is still more money involved than the online sports betting. But like I said, Golden Nugget has the online sports betting as well. So guys, this here is why I'm really hyped up about it. This is kind of similar to the MJ in a sense. The MJ, if you know what I'm saying. Because there's only limited states right now. Can you imagine if we can get to 10 states, like what the online sports betting is? DraftKings ain't going to have a shot, number one. As this gets into more states, I don't know how DraftKings is really going to compete. They're kind of one-dimensional in the sports betting. But I guess if someone's just directly into sports and they don't want the casino, then maybe they would stick with DraftKings, and depends on incentives and bonus offers and things like that. But if you can be on an app and you can do it all, Golden Nugget could be your choice, guys. Golden Nugget could be that choice. All right, guys, and down here on improving player economics, this is something you really want to see with the business. From 2014 to 2020, let's just go for an example. In 2014, the average player would spend about $467 a month on Golden Nugget online gaming. Let's jump up a couple years to 2017. They would spend an average of $518 per month on a regular basis. And let's fast forward up here to 2020. They averaged out $624 per customer as an average, as they would get on the app and keep spending money, guys. So that's good. People are getting on here, and once they're on here, they have over 800 titles and games you can play on the Golden Nugget app. As time goes on, they're having more money to keep playing and having fun. So I can see this trend going up every year as people get on here and love it, and we get into more states, get some more advertisement. People's going to be playing it, man. People's going to be loving it. And I'm just loving what I'm seeing. All right, guys, and here's some of the product and innovation. Now, we did cover a lot of this here. As you know, the Live Dealer Studio opened with 4 tables back in August of 2016. In September 2017, the studio expanded to an extra 1,300 square foot. Now it's a total of 2,200 square foot. They have here in March of 2018, new game Casino Floor Roulette. In June of 18, Unlimited Blackjack. They got awards here in 2019. February 20, they got 3-card poker. March of 20, updated user interface. And look at this, guys. The current studio capacity has 18 tables. This is talking about the Live Dealer Studio, where you can play blackjack, roulette, 3-card poker, anything you want to play. 18 tables, space is available to expand for 8 more tables. So we can have a total of 26 tables in this Live Dealer Studio. Down here is showing some of the exclusive games. There's 20 exclusive games already launched in 2020. 8 more lined up for 2020 and 2021, guys. And as you can see down here, there is Avery's, which we have Avery in our Weeble portfolio. This is one I want to talk about as well. As we know, the best-in-class customer service. As you can see, they get really high rating. Look at this. Customer satisfaction is a 96%. Response time for a chat is less than 0.7 of a minute. And look at a call, less than a minute, 0.9 of a minute, guys. Look at the handle times. 95% inbound answer rate satisfaction. Average chat, it goes about 8.3 minutes. Average call goes about 4.6 minutes. So if you have any problems, you have any questions, Golden Nugget has excellent customer service. 96 customer satisfaction and a 95% inbound answer rate, guys. They are taking care of their clients. All right, guys, and this here is a summary of the continued support from Golden Nugget / Landry's. Now, guys, employees at Gnog, upon closing the transaction, Gnog will have approximately 120 FTEs. 80 individuals will be full-time direct employees at Gnog, with another approximately 70 individuals being part-time. If you saw yesterday's video, that basically shows that we have 150 employees as a part of Gnog, guys, doing the Live Dealer Studios, doing all the other back-end stuff for the computer. Gnog currently pays the Golden Nugget Landry's parent company a 3% royalty on net gaming revenue and will continue to do so post the merger. Royalty payments cover the following expenses incurred by Gnog. Now, guys, I know we hear a 3% royalty, and you might want to freak out a little bit that Gnog is going to be paying Golden Nugget and Landry's at 3%. People are going to say, oh, Tillman's just soaking out of the online. But here's the thing, guys. You got to think about it as we read down these couple of things. Golden Nugget, the land-based casino, and the restaurant built the branding, guys. Golden Nugget Online Gaming already gets the branding handed to them. So the land-based casino and the restaurants, they help support the online, because if the land-based and the restaurants give people great experiences and they're getting excellent customer service when they're in the casino, when they're in the restaurant, and they may consider then, oh, well, maybe I'll gamble at home on my phone. So it's very key that I think a 3% royalty, in my opinion, is fair. I think it's fair because the land-based and the restaurants built the branding. I can't preach enough. The Golden Nugget branding is huge. If this was just out here as an online gambling company and it was not Golden Nugget, I would not be as hyped with it. I'm telling you, I would not be as hyped with it. So, royalty payments cover the following. Licensing of the Golden Nugget trademark to be used exclusively for online gaming, which to me, that alone, guys, is worth the 3%. Services provided by Golden Nugget and Landry's to support Gnog. Existing infrastructure in the following areas. Accounts payable, corporate audit, database access, Golden Nugget 24K and Landry Selects, payroll, legal, rent and lease of facilities. So guys, they're just giving the 3% to the land-based and Landry's, and they don't have to worry with it. They're covering the payroll. They're covering any legal issues. They're covering the rent. They're covering the facilities. And as you know, as people go into land-based casinos and they sign up to be 24K members through Golden Nugget, they're going to refer them to the online gambling as well, guys. So to me, the 3% is well fair. It's really, really fair. So don't let the 3% royalty scare you away. Honestly, I think it's a win that we only pay 3% on that, and we're getting all that extra stuff. All right, guys, and we're going to end this one here on the last one is the reconciliation of the non-GAAP measures. Guys, we're going to talk about the EBITDA. That's right. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, guys. So basically what this means, as you can see here, in 2019, as an example, Golden Nugget made $11.7 million plus their taxes of $6 million. And as you can see, depreciation and amortization, 0.1. So their adjusted EBITDA here was 17.8, less the brand royalties of 1.1 million. Their gross revenue, the adjusted EBITDA, is their earnings after that, guys, is 16.7 million. As we look at this across the years, in 2016 they made 1.3 million. 2017, 4.6 million. 2018, 11.1 million, and 2019 at 16.7 million, guys. That is why I'm loving the growth of this company. That is money that they're putting in the bank. So in 2019, they made 16.7 million. We're going to have to see what this all comes up to for 2020 for Golden Nugget. But I'm assuming it's around like 30 some. I think it's like 30 some million or so. After they pay all their fees, all their, bills and things like that. Pay the royalties of 3%. So like I said, as you can see, even in 2019, the royalties of 3% was only 1.1 million out of the 17 million that they made. So they still walked away with 16.7 million to put into the bank. So I think that, guys, is really helpful talking about the adjusted EBITDA, talking about how much they're actually coming at the end of the year, putting in the bank. So I can't wait to get that info for 2020 for you guys to see how much they made in total and how much after all the expenses come out, what they make. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation, guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. 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 Let's go.